Hello and welcome to the channel. So today I wanted to do a fun little experiment using two wheel cleaners. I thought the results of this one would be so different, so make sure you stay tuned and have a look at see what actually happened. But the two wheel cleaners I'm using is the Turtle Wax Mr. Cartoon All Wheel Cleaner and the Gyeon Wheel Cleaner and tar remover. So this is the wheel that we'll be using it on. As you can see, it is very dirty. So just going to mark out, I guess, half the wheel. We're going to use one product on one side and the other product on the other side. This is just a fun little experiment. We're not agitating like we should, and as it is instructed on both bottles. So it's just a fun little experiment to see. Not so much what the better wheel cleaner is, but to see which performs better at this time, more or less. So here is the Turtle Wax Mr. Cartoon Wheel Cleaner. So as you can see, you can already see some color changing in the back of the barrel. So we know how dirty this wheel was. So we do expect some color change. So here's the Gyeon Wheel Cleaner and tar remover, and we're just going to pop that on there. Make sure we get everything. Now, the price point, the Turtle Wax is quite a lot cheaper than the Gyeon. So as you can see on both sides here, that wheel is an absolute mess. You can see all the dirt coming and grime just dripping off that wheel. Again, we're not agitating, we're just leaving it to dwell for a little bit and then spraying off. So here we go. So now we spray it off. So yeah, as I was saying, the Turtle Wax is a hell of a lot cheaper when you divide up the milliliters, the cents per milliliters. It is a bigger bottle, and the bottle is cheaper. So yeah, there you go. And as I said, the results are very surprising on this one. So we're just spraying it all off, just making sure we get it all. Alright, so let's have a look. So this is the Turtle Wax side, and you can see, look, it's not the best, obviously, because we haven't agitated, we haven't done as instructed. And this is the Gyeon side. So the Gyeon side, I mean, it's got rid of a lot of loose stuff, but it hasn't really taken too much off the actual, I guess, not stained on steel, but ones that's actually stuck. The Turtle Wax looks like it's a better clean on the left hand side there. Do like those results on the left hand side. So now we're going to take the tape off. We can see the just a dirty stripe down the middle there. We can see how dirty it actually was, and you can see the difference there. Yeah, I'm quite liking the Turtle Wax side. So when you look at the in between the spokes. So what I've done here is I've sprayed another wheel cleaner. So this has a color changing technologies, and you can see on the right hand side, it looks like that's a little bit more red than the left hand side. So yeah, there's more dirt and grime on the right hand side than there is on the left hand side. So I like the Turtle Wax here. I think the Turtle Wax has done a better job. Again, this is not as instructed. You should agitate to get better results. But just as a quick experiment, I don't mind the Turtle Wax. I think that's quite good. It's performed better than the Gyeon. So yeah, if you could please like, comment, and subscribe, it really helps my channel and helps me deliver some more experiments to you guys. Thanks again.